My name is Thomas McCune. I'm an Irish citizen, and if you're watching this video, I have been illegally abducted by the Israeli occupation forces and taken to occupied Palestine, the state of Israel, against my will.
This is Tara O'Grady from Ireland. If you're seeing this message, it's because our vessel has been intercepted at sea and our group has been taken captive by the IOF.
My name is Jim McDouglas and I'm travelling on the Sumud Flotilla to Gaza. If you're seeing this and hearing this, I have been kidnapped by the IOF while in international waters, bringing material aid and medical aid to the besieged people of Gaza who are being starved by the Israeli forces.
Please contact Simon Harris and the Department of Foreign Affairs to demand my immediate release. And also, please put pressure on the Irish government to immediately cease its violation of our neutrality and sovereignty by allowing US and NATO warplanes to refuel in Shannon Airport and the transfer of munitions to the terrorist state of Israel, Free Palestine.
This message is to appeal to my family, my friends, my government, all of our public representatives in Ireland, to appeal for our swift release and that of all of our comrades.
Please contact your public representatives, whether local, national or international. Share this video far and wide, please.